everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's I'll try to talk about the MIUI 12.5 update details on this Mi11X device. So right now friends, the MIUI 12.5 update is getting rolled out for the Mi11X users particularly, and I did update my phone to the MIUI 12.5 as well so recently. So I'll try to talk about few details which I'll try to highlight in this entire video. And let me try to show you friends a few of the comments, and a lot of users also they did receive this kind of update, as you can see, and the update size is of close to 487 MB, so which they are trying to receive, as you can see friends. And let me try to show you the another comments where a lot of users as well. So as you can see friends, 12.5 update they did get. So these are the couple of users who did comment under my videos, and in this way I got to know the update is getting rolled out even for a lot of other users. And in this case, if you still did not get the update, so make sure to go to the settings and go to the device and always click on this check for updates. So definitely you'll be receiving the update very soon. And with this kind of update, there are a couple of things like hopefully the green tint issue might get fixed, so try to check the green tint issue first. And I did plenty of videos already uploaded on the MIUI 12.5 as well, so make sure to check the playlist in case if you want to know tips and tricks, what are the things got added, so that will give you the clear idea about what is going on in this MIUI version. So as you can see, there are plenty of features which got added, and hopefully you will be getting this kind of haptic feedbacks, which is our next realistic feel kind of haptic feedback you will be getting even when you are trying to increase and decrease the volume. And new layout, there are so many super live wallpapers also got added in this kind of update. And I already did a couple of other videos as well explaining what are the things about this Mi11X device, and this is a video which I thought of doing just letting you all know, the Mi11X users, that the update is about to roll out in the Mi11X users. So make sure to be ready and try to download the update, and just let me know in the comments below what are the problems you are facing with the MIUI 12.5 update as well, because with this kind of updates what happens is that the performance will decrease sometimes and the battery life also will decrease sometimes. So these are the few things which can happen with the update. Maybe the temperature will also increases sometimes, so make sure to comment below what are your thoughts. So thank you friends for watching this video, and this is a video. See you in the next video friends for more details. Until then, bye.